Mathematics 2022 Paper 2 GCE. In the diagram, xy equal to 6 centimeters, angle yxz equal to 60 degrees, and angle xyz equal to 80 degrees. Part A. Calculate the length of YZ, area of triangle XYZ, shortest distance from X to YZ. Part B. Solve the equation tan theta equal to 2.75 for 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360. Part C. Simplify 1 minus 4x squared over 1 plus 2x. Okay, we'll start with part A. So as for part A question, Roman numeral 1, they want us to find the length YZ. Length YZ. So length YZ. So for us to find this length, we have to understand first the diagram. This one, it is a sine rule diagram. It is sine rule diagram. Because we have two angles given with one side, and it is not a non-right angle triangle. So we have to apply sine rule. Now sine rule can only work to the sides that are given. So like we have 6 centimeters given here, but we don't have the corresponding angle here for this side. So we have to look for the corresponding angle, then we conclude our question. So let's first find angle Z. So angle Z will be equal to total outcome for triangle, it's 180. So it's 180 degrees minus, open brackets, 80 degrees plus 60 degrees. Very important to indicate the degrees. So angle Z will be equal to 180 minus C. You get your scientific calculator there. 80 plus 60, which is 140. So angle Z equal to 180 minus 140, it's 40 degrees. So we have 40 degrees here. So now we can apply our sine rule. So we are going to identify the corresponding sides. So this one will be small letter x, small letter y, and small letter z. So we are only interested with z, sin z, and the x, sin x. So small letter z over sin capital letter Z equal to small letter x over sin capital letter X, according to sine law. So where the small letter Z, we are going to replace 6 over sin Z. We have 40 equal to x is our subject. We can even replace yz over sin x, which is 60. Then you cross multiply. So this one will be yz times sin 40. It's yz sin 40 degrees equal to 60 sin 60 degrees. So since we are looking for yz, we have to divide both sides by sin 40. so that this will cancel. Then we have yz equal to, so if you punch on your calculator 6 sine 60 divide by sine 40, so it is giving us 8.08 centimeters. So this is the length for YZ. So you can even indicate in your diagram, which is 8.08 centimeters, in case it is needed for other works. We go to Roman numeral 2, which is area of the triangle XYZ. So they want us to calculate area of triangle XYZ. So this is a 9 right-angle triangle. So area for the 9 right-angle triangle is calculated by R4. So our selected angle here is Y. So this will be considered as the adjacents. So we are going to have XZ sine theta. Now our theta is going to be capital letter Y. So area of triangle XYZ will be equal to half times XE, it's 8.08 times ZD, it's 6 sine. So our angle here it's 80 degrees. It's 80 degrees. So if you punch 8.08 times 6 sine 80 degrees, we are having 47. So we are having 47.74 over 2. So now if we divide answer divide by 2, answer divide by 2, we are getting 23.8. 23.87. So if you round off to 3 significant figures, it is going to be 23.9 centimeter squared. So this is our area. Question 3. Shortest distance from X to Z. Shortest distance from X to YZ. From X to YZ. So the moment we do that, we introduce the right angled triangle. So this is question 3. So we introduced the right angled triangle. So to calculate the shortest distance, which is denoted by H, we have to use this formula: area equal to half BH, half BH, where area we have calculated 23.9 equal to half times base, which is 8.08 times height, So this one will be 23.9 equal to 8.08 divided by 2, which is 4.04 h. You divide both sides by 4.04. So our height is going to be 5.9 centimeters. So this is our shortest distance. Part B, solve the equation tan theta equal to 2.75. Tan theta equal to 2.75. So we are going to let theta be equal to x. So it will be tan x equal to 2.75. Then we solve for x. So x equal to tan inverse of 2.75. So we have to punch on the calculator shift tan inverse of 2.75, which is equal to 70 degrees as our reference angle. So we are going to refer to this angle and see the conclusion. So here tan is positive, so we should get the solutions where tan is positive. So tan, if we consider the cast diagram, tan is positive in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. First and the third quadrant. So theta equal to x, which is theta equal to 70 as our first angle. Then second angle, we are going to consider the equation which is in the third quadrant. Theta equal to 180 degrees plus reference angle, which is 180 degrees plus 70 degrees. Which is equal to 250 degrees. Now the other condition is that theta should be between this domain 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360. So our solutions are falling between the domain. So therefore theta will be equal to 70 degrees and 250 degrees. Part C, simplify 1 minus 4x squared over 1 plus 2x. They want us to simplify. So on the numerator we have difference of two squares expression. So it will be 1 minus 2 to the power 2 x to the power 2 over 1 plus 2x. So on the numerator difference of two squares, we are going to expand 1 minus 2x, then 1 plus 2x over 1 plus 2x. So that this will go, then we'll remain with 1 minus 2x as our final answer. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Murenga E. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like my videos.